Welcome to Learn Law with Saiful. Today we'll explain what is a GD, General Diary in Bangladesh law, why it's important, and how to file one. What is a GD, General Diary? GD means General Diary, a record maintained at every police station. Legal reference, Police Regulation of Bengal 1943 Rule 377. It is used to log daily events and non-cognizable incidents. It can be filed by any citizen for safety, record, or legal purpose. When can you file a GD? 1. Loss of documents, ID card, mobile. 2. Missing person. 3. Receiving threats. 4. Suspicious activity near your home. 5. Minor disputes that don't need FIR yet. Why filing GD is important. Creates an official record. Protects you legally if the issue escalates. Helps in recovering lost items. Useful for future evidence. How to file a GD. 1. Go to your nearest police station. 2. Write the details of the incident. 3. Provide your NID/phone number. 4. Police will record it and give you a GD number. Keep the GD copy safely, it's legal proof. What happens after filing GD? Police may monitor the situation. If it turns serious, they may convert it to an FIR. Sometimes sent to magistrate for permission to investigate. Thanks for watching Learn Law with Saiful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.